which is really fun type, I guess. But we're going to do some shopping, and I love shopping so much. No. I'm gonna hit on. Yeah, perfect. Come on, yeah. I killed myself. Hilarious, huh? Very hilarious. Let's go. Very fast. I'm very bad at putting items, so I am going to take items right now because, why not? Can we take? Let's put our cutter over here. Is this mine? Yeah, it's fine. Yeet. Oh no. Oh no. Will this not thing break? It looks like it's very metal. But anyway, that's not something. This thing is so fussy, but never mind. Okay, now let's go. Now I guess we need one more item, which will be the picture, which is absolutely my favorite thing. Yes. Help me, please. I'm gonna put it over here. Are you kidding me? This thing, game. Okay, I cannot double jump in mini games, which is really bad. I want to double jump. It looks like this thing is like a metal block, which is like it has like tiny electrical type on it. Please go get out of that. Okay, please. Now you both are stuck. I'm not getting trapped this time. Not today, sir. This dude, he's an absolute jerk. He's not leaving me alone. Okay, thank you. You're an absolute jerk, please. Please. Leave me alone. Finally. Shoot. I'm very bad at this game. This game is so hard. I cannot barely just follow the trails. Here. It's here, I guess. It's here. Don't just lose the game. I want to win this game. That was so close. This guy is blocking my way. That's really unfair. I hate this guy. I mean not a guy. He's a mannequin. This thing is like this in the time. I guess we are at the end. Yes. Yo, here. I don't know what to do next. I guess just push the sir. sucker. Oh, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, bye. Sucker. That guy. I lead him badly, which is really poor guy. I mean, poor mannequin. Very stupid way to tell. Okay, now I'm going to insert this thing and get the third cake. Yee. I'm gonna take the cake. There are these apple shooters. I don't know what to do. Next. So the last cake must be somewhere, which is... Oh no, not the neighbor again. For a long time, neighbor is not... I have not seen him for a while, which is really bad. I just killed myself. Okay. So how much cakes do we have right now? I mean, we have like... I can't remember, we called it 3 cakes. 1, 2, 3. So we called it 4 mannequins, which is a good job, which we done. I don't know the fourth cake, which is really hard to choose. I don't know where. Maybe it has a chance to be in the up room, where, you know. Jesus Christ, this game is really hard. I was not expecting to make a video of this one, but I saw a lot of YouTubers just doing this. Well, we all took it. Well, that's just a shame. Oh, no. Now how can we get the 4th cake? And what is it? And I don't know what can we get that with that thing. So let's get. So wait for 1 minute, and I will check. Where is it? Where is that thing? I don't know. But let me search in Google and I'll come. So I haven't found it, but let us just leave the 4th cake. Let's just put it as 3 cakes. So we will take it as each. We'll put this thingy right over here. Take this and take this, and we're setting off to put all the items in the birthday room thingy place. I don't know what to explain to that place, but we're going. It's our final hope. I don't know what to get, but it's a clue, it's a puzzle, and we'll just put these 2 cakes. Wait, I forgot about this cake, but never mind. We'll just put this cake over here. Wait, I'm forgetting everything. Lord, please give me an idea. Okay, now we put this, we kept this mannequin, and now we're going to take the rest of the things. I'll fast forward. Jesus Christ, this gave me shocks. Okay, I'll put it fast forward. So I don't know what I'm going to get, but we're gonna keep it over here. Where's the sound coming from? Wait, there's a TV over here. What happened? Wait, is it a shotgun? Whoa! It's like really cool, see? Like, how to use this thing? I don't know how to use this thing. Well, That was a big joke. Isn't that tiny game? Whatever it is called. Let me try. Hold on a second. This gun is just fake. He was faking me the whole time. Just faking me the whole time. I'm really angry right now. This darn game was a waste of time. But never mind, I just did a puzzle. I'm just proud of myself. I just did a puzzle. But the thing is, it's a waste of time. See, I cannot do nothing with this thing. Now I'm stuck. Get this thingy. Okay guys, now it's working. Somehow it works. I'll show you guys. It's like this. It's like having a golden wood ammo. I don't know. It can break windows and it can break cameras. It's really cool. Shoot! And it can block neighbors' way also. Broke. Just broke the thing. Now where the heck are you? The broke all the camera. Okay, anyway guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and also go to my Instagram and also follow me in Twitter and Instagram, and also subscribe and like, comment down below if you like this video, and I will, as always, bots. Peace out. Bye guys.